Hi viewers, welcome back to JL at Kenya, where we embrace the African culture. Today we are doing this show from Nyandarua County, and today we just came upon request to meet a farmer by the name Mr. Kamau. Mr. Kamau is having a farm that is farming some cereals, vegetables, fruits, and certain other items. So today we just come in to see the farm around and just to farm up whatever he's doing, so that we can be back again after 2 weeks just to show, for him to show us the progress. So I'll just take you the vlog through just to see the farm. He has some farmers here, some cashews, sorry. He operates with 7 cashews just when the land is being prepared. And from asking him, he says that he farms different types of fruits, different types of vegetables, and is already ready for the market. So in the next 2 weeks we shall be here. So today the vlog is just to show you the land that is being prepared, so that at least we can do a comparison after 2 weeks. Watch it and enjoy.